Hi, my name is Sonya Madison, and welcome to Law Unfiltered, where I talk about current events and some of the legal implications. Recently, President Donald Trump removed a mandate requiring that public schools allow transgender individuals to use the bathrooms that they identify with. Now, a lot of people are upset, particularly in the transgender community, because President Trump stated that he was going to protect their rights as it relates to his presidency. And here we have an instance where he's pretty much getting rid of a right that they currently had by virtue of removing this directive. Now, let me first say that I do not have any issue with transgender individuals using the bathroom that they identify with, nor do I think it's a safety issue, as a lot of people argue that it could cause harm among students. However, I do have an issue with executive officers making law. I do think it's something that the state legislators, the public officials, should either make a law or make a regulation within their local communities, and therefore become a constitutional right, or at least become a state right as it pertains to the legislators. Now, a lot of people are arguing that under Title IX makes it a constitutional right for transgender individuals to use the bathroom that they identify with as their gender. Now, if you look at the language of Title IX essentially says that no person on the basis of sex shall be denied benefits or be subject to discrimination as it pertains to public schools and the education system. So there is essentially saying on the basis of sex, not on the basis of their identity or their gender identity, but strictly saying sex. Now, if you consider that ambiguous, what you do is you look to the interpretation, or you look into the intent that the law was drafted, and no argument can be made that the intent at the time of 1700s, that what the legislators were thinking was transgender rights. But nonetheless, it is not too late to ensure that that is something that's put in there. So that's why I want to empower you to go to your state legislators, go to your public officials and say, I want this to be a right. I want it to be something that is written and explicitly provided in the law to ensure that it is therefore protected. But tell me what you guys think, and thanks so much for tuning in. Catch you next time on Law Unfiltered.